Hey everyone, in this video, I wanted to show you how you take a Instagram story post and turn it into a regular feed post. So from this story page right to your post here, and I'm gonna show you that process. If it's your first time here, I make easy to follow social media and tech videos 5 times a week, so please consider subscribing. So first, make sure you have something on your Instagram story. So this is my story that I created. You could check out that video. I actually, in that video, did the reverse of this process. I turned a feed post into a story post. But in this process, let me just go ahead and take a picture so it starts from scratch. I'll go ahead and take a picture of this here, and then I'll share it to my story. I'll press your story. So now this is on my story. So if I go to my story, I'll press more on the bottom, those 3 dots here, the more option, and share as post. If I press that, it basically gives me the ability to create this as a feed, Instagram feed post. So I could crop it, I could do anything I would do with a regular Instagram post. Press next, I could have filters, press next, and I could add my hashtags. Just like that, I could tag people, all the things you do with a regular post, and then go ahead and share it. So now if I go back to my feed, you could see it right there. So now it's on my feed and is still on my story here. So that's one way to take it from your story and then add it to your feed. And you could check out the other video in the description where you could take it from your feed and then add it to your story. Basically, it's through the share option and add post to story. That's the way you will reverse this process. I hope you found this useful. Please give it a like and subscribe to this channel. I post easy to follow social media and tech videos 5 times a week, and I hope to see you on the next video.